Myself, Prashant Chan from Tata Power Power Grid. I'm looking Power Grid in 765 kV networks. Today we are attending here level 1 cybersecurity program. Internet are increasing in our system. Also, we are using AI in some systems. So we feel we are more insecure, more exposed in the system. By the learning of this program, we can easily identify cybersecurity threats, also filter from our system, know the weaknesses by the practical sessions which is conducting by the C-DAC Hyderabad. It's really improving my knowledge in the aspect of cyber security, because I am a purely electrical guy. I am not very much aware about this, but we are looking system which is fully depend on the cyber, and definitely by the using of the more devices, it is get a more exposure for the hackers. So it is must, and this program is really very beneficial who is not directly from the IT sector, because their teaching method is a very simple. Also, they make proper tutorials for how we know the each and every part of the cyber, for identify the threats, also how we can protect it, also give the all basic knowledge about the systems of OT and IT both. And after the training of 4-day session, I am sure I can definitely identify the threats and filter from my system. It is a very informative program. Thank you for C-DAC Hyderabad. Thank you.